Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter 2, more on Windows. Students, in this chapter today we are going to learn about the using the Windows operating system, the look of Windows and files and folders. So let's start students. Using the Windows operating system. What is an operating system? An operating system is a set of programs which manage computer resources and lets people communicate with a computer. The Windows operating system is a very user friendly because of commands used in it in the form of small pictures and not in the form of typed text. That is why the Windows operating system is termed as a graphical user interface. It means GUI. What is the full form of GUI? Graphical user interface. One more thing is there, CUI. That means character user interface. Students, I am going to show you two pictures. See, are you able to see two pictures? In first picture, one mother is there and she is carrying her child and different works. But in second picture, one logo is there of Windows. So students, at our home, our mother manage all the affairs. She is in charge of cooking food, taking care of washing and cleaning. We can say that our mother is the operating system of our home. Same as it is in the computer also, an operating system helps to operate a computer by managing its files, system, handling input output and running programs. It provides the interface between a human and a computer. Students, our next topic will be the look of Windows. So let's see. See students, this is the look of Windows. First topic is what is desktop. When you switch on the computer, the first screen appear is called desktop. Clear students? This place is called desktop. This is taskbar. And now this is start button. This is quick launch bar. This is desktop. Clear students? Desktop background. Now these small pictures are icons and I created one file. What is file? Three files are there. File 1, file 2, file 3. See students, what is file? A file is our computer work stored with a name on a disk. We can create file in different applications like MS Word, Paint. Now students, how to open the file? Right click on that and click on open option. The file will be open. Clear? Now I am going to explain you how to create new folder. Right click on the desktop, click on new and then select new folder option. The folder will be created. By default the name of that folder will be new folder. Clear students? Now next topic is how to keep the files in the folder. So first of all, you can drag that file into that folder. It will be saved. Clear? See, file 1, file 2 are in folder 1. It means new folder. Second option is you can use cut and copy option. So I am selecting the copy option and now open that folder where you want to copy that file and paste here. See student, three files, file 1, file 2, file 3. All files are here. Now students, next topic is how to delete a file. Clear? So right click on that file, click on delete button, select yes option. Now again, how to delete a folder. Again same method will be there, same process will be there. Now go to the recycle option. See students, file 3 and new folder is here. How to restore? Right click on that folder and restore. Select the restore option. See students, folder has gone to its original location like on desktop. Earlier it was in desktop now. Now students, rename. Right click on that folder, select rename option. See, the new name of our folder is new folder. In the place of new folder, my folder is there. Clear students? Thank you students. Please like and subscribe the channel for more updates.